It's Brian. I'm here to talk about the math behind Pokemon. So let's get it. Ooh, a piece of grass. Don't mind if I do. Time to catch my first Pokemon. And it's a Lotad. Not a bad start. Not a bad start. It's a good Pokemon. Um, I guess we could try to capture it. So, what are my chances of capturing this Lotad? We'll find out. This Lotad is only level 3, which has a health of 15 HP. So, now that we have a Pokemon we want to capture and we know its HP, we can try to find out the capture rate. The capture rate formula is on the screen right now. Hopefully, I explained this formula well in my presentation so you guys can understand it. But for now, let's just try to plug stuff in and find the capture rate for this Lotad. So now we can plug our numbers into the formula. We plug in 15 HP for M for max health, 15 for H for current health, 255 for C for the rate of this Lotad, and B and C are 1 because I'm just going to use a regular Pokeball to capture this, and there are no side effects. So now we can just plug into our calculator and do some quick maths. Now we get a capture rate of 85. If we wanted to know our success for capturing this Lotad, we need to put the capture rate over 255. This should get us an answer of 0.3333 whatever repeating. This would mean we would have a 33% chance of success at capturing this Pokemon at full health. So now let's see if I can capture this Lotad at full health with my 33% chance.
Bruh.
Well, so the first time didn't work, so let's try reducing its health now. So now we got it down to a decent amount of health, so now let's try to recalculate the capture rate. So now we just replug into the formula again, but this time instead of the current health being 15, we can plug it in as 4. Now we get a better chance of capturing this Pokemon. We get an 82% catch rate. Now it's finally time to catch that Lotad. So for our next formula, we'll be talking about the damage formula. The damage formula will show us how much damage a Pokemon would deal towards a certain Pokemon. So on the screen right now is the damage formula. Hopefully on my PowerPoint I explained it well enough. This will just help us determine the damage dealt between this Mudkip and the Zigzagoon. So right now I have a Mudkip and a Zigzagoon. Along with their stats, I'm going to let my Mudkip use Water Gun on the Zigzagoon, and let's see how much damage the Mudkip will deal. I got the damage formula ready, and it's another plugging game. I plug 11 for the level, 40 for power of the water gun, 50 special attack for A, and 41 special defense for D, 1.5 for stab for using a move with the same type, and a random number between 1.275 and 1.5. So after calculating this, we get a damage of 15.77 as the lowest damage, and 18.9 as the highest damage. I'm about to wreck this Raccoon, dude. To end it off, I'm gonna talk about shiny encounter rate. Shiny Pokemon are extremely rare. By extremely rare, I mean extremely rare. Watch, I'm gonna get a shiny right here, right now. I'm going to this patch of grass and then boom, shiny.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. Got no.
6 hours later.
Oh my god, finally, woohoo. Now I can talk about the shiny encounter rate. The shiny encounter rate is basically just a 1 in 8,192 chance, or a 0.0122% chance. It took me forever to get this shiny.